Bienvenidos a otro episodio aquí con los chicken tenders. Welcome back to another episode with the chicken tenders here. We're gonna fill out the water and the feeders. So they're looking amazing. This one has a little bit of water. None, a little bit of water. As far as the feeders, no feed. Still have feed over here, plus on the ground, on the floor they have plenty of feed. We bought another bag, 20 kilos through 245. Let me take all these ones out of here. I forgot the tripod. These ones, they're looking good too. But the older ones, the fresh hatch, I think they're like 9 weeks old. And these ones are like 5 weeks old. And look at those ones that we bought the other day. They're big. Well, let me fill the buckets with water. Already, all 5 containers are filled with water now. We're about to put some feed for them. We also have raised all the containers in bricks, so the water will maintain more clean, because they put too much debris on it. Already, they got feed, they have water. Those ones there look amazing. They look big, and they're not even 12 weeks yet. I love it. These ones, they're still on their tiny size, but eventually they will get big. So I also have ordered some bands for the legs. They're from number 1 to 100, and we're only gonna put them on the females, so we can keep track of the flock. Only on females they're gonna be using them. The males, look at this one. Oh my God, this used to be the favorite one. Look at the line, the liner. He's big. Oh, she's big. And the rooster is over here. So yeah, we're gonna put them on the females. Tomorrow we have an appointment, so we can go ahead and with the neighbor for the property, so we all good at, so we can fence. I don't know. Right now it's a big cloud out there, ugly, like a big storm. For the clean, I don't know. But at least we're gonna be able to do the paperwork with our neighbor. So we all agreed, about the property line, and we don't have problems later. One thing at a time. Oh, wow. This is heavy. This is heavy. Oh my God, I love that. Those are meat. Those are meat birds. Man, I need to look for the person. We need to get at least, we got 4, at least 10 females. Man, it would be great if we get a male out of those. Those, it feels heavy. I know Erica's gonna love it. The Rhode Island Red, those roosters are starting to look good. Erica is coming. Hey, amor, ven. Grab the pollito over here. Oh, she's like, oh no, they're talking about me. Grab one of those ones.
They're heavy?
Oh, they're heavy. Eric is too slow.
I got piquetes on my legs.
Grab the other one. She looks bigger. Ah, Erica. She wants them to come to her hand or something. Like that with one hand.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
That one's that we bought, right?
Yeah. They're heavy, right?
Maybe look at their legs compared to ours.
We need to look for that guy and get some more. It's the same guy that it was on the Tianguis de los Domingos. We might need to get some more. The Rocky, no, not Rocky, the red, they have, I think they might be the same type of hens they have over there.
Hey, hey.
Me picó el dedo. Son los kids de Rocky. Those Rocky kids are mean. The little ones and the big ones. Those are the ones that we're gonna eat.
No eggs. If they're males, we're eating them. If they're females, they're staying. We got males, those red ones too.
Yeah. They're looking nice. They're not even, look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
They're not even 12 weeks yet. What did I say, 9 weeks?
9 weeks. They're going to be 9 weeks.
No, they're 9 weeks. They're going to 10. They're big already. Nice and healthy.
I like that chicken.
Who's them? The naked neck?
Yeah. That's a hen, right?
Yeah. I think the black ones are roosters. Yeah.
That one too? It's a rooster, right?
The black one right there is a rooster. This one is a rooster too.
Well, Rocky can't step right still with his feet, so maybe we can switch him.
So I ordered some bands for the legs from 1 to 100. And we're gonna put them on the females.
There's a lot of the red ones that are females, right?
Yeah.
That's a big rooster boy. That one's rooster too, eh?
Como separar los Rhode Island Red and then the Plymouth. What's that the name?
That one's a rooster though. That one's a female.
Yeah. There's more on the second batch. Well.
Make two.
Alrighty, friends. So let's go read some of you guys' comments. I think this is one of the old ones. It says 4 weeks ago, so it was probably the last video. Jessica Cag, oh no, I pray it's too early. We 60 eggs, $220 or pesos. It was 220 pesos. They were from the same place as the Bantam Mass Chick, the striped one is from. Yes, those were from the same people. And we only had like 13 chicks. I think that was more like my fault. Maria Martinez, hi, hola Jose, what's the difference between degrees and Celsius? Do you think is too early? I hope we had a better hatch this time around. Too early, Jose from Dallas. Well, Maria, as everybody saw, we only had 13 chicks, and I think it was more like my fault. And then the incubator is too close to the window. They were leaving the window open, so it was cold that week. So, but hey, we are on the 4th incubation, and hopefully all is good. Jessica Cag, this is from the other video from the eggs. There's a lot of eggs. Wishing for the best count in hatching all of them. Glad Teddy is home and doing better. Can't wait for the hatch. I'm excited, honestly. Hopefully we do super good and we have a good hatch. And yeah, Teddy's good. He's back. He's barking and running and everything basically. Zombie, although all the eggs are beautiful, but I have to admit that dark brown chocolate eggs are the most beautiful, but the white ones with the black spots are beautiful too, or are those poop spots? Whatever, they're beautiful anyway. I can't wait to see the color of the chickens that come out of those eggs. Oh, and if those crickets were in my house, I'd be mad at you too. I'm afraid of crickets if there's loose in my house, but I do enjoy watching you raise them. Well, those dark chocolate eggs, hopefully this time we are able to hatch one at least, or it's 3 in there. And there's like some more eggs, they have the speckles on it, so we like those too. But yeah, there's some other ones that have like the spots are poops. And Erica, hopefully he never finds out. Hopefully we don't have no crickets in the house or anything like that. But if not, I'm gonna be in big trouble. Sharon Rangel, I can't wait to see if you get some new breeds or whatever you call type of chickens in this hatch. Yeah, hopefully we get. At this moment, I don't care what I get. Hopefully we just have a good hatch. I have been waiting to have at least an 80% hatch. That's a good hatch. 80% or 75, whatever it is. Estela Chagoya, that's awesome, Mr. Hatch. Thank you. Thank you, Estela, for being here, part of this channel, and everyone else. Queen Bee, woo, you got blessed with an abundance of eggs. Yeah, I was so happy when he said, yes, we have some, we had to go get them ourselves, and we have them here. I was like, yes, finally. I wanted to tell them, let me pick the ones I want or anything. But they were like, they're older people, and I don't know, like, I don't know. I think if I had asked them, they would have said no. So I just told them, give me 4 kilos and beat it. Hopefully they, and then they said they have like an extra kilo, but there was another lady there waiting for eggs too. And I said, you can have them. Queen Bee, hi, hip hip hooray. Very good, Jose, hasta que se hizo. Thank you, Lord. Love to see the progress every time. Bendiciones, familia hermosa. Good hatch. Primeramente Dios. Primeramente Dios, yeah, we have a good hatch. Y ojalá que todo salga bien con este. I don't know. I feel good. I think we will. We have our own eggs. We have this other person's eggs. And hopefully we do good. Last night, I don't know what time, like 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 maybe, the alarm was going off, and I heard it, and I thought it was like the humidity is low. It's not reaching 55 or something, you know. But I still heard the alarm going off in the incubator, and so I decided to get up and go check to raise up the humidity. When I went downstairs, my surprise, the humidity was super high. It was like 98 humidity. I'm like, oh my God, I should have come and checked because there was the humidity too high. Hopefully the eggs are not damaged. I open it, I wipe all the extra humidity. I open some of the little windows to bring the humidity down, but finally it's down. Hopefully we don't have that problem, and if I hear the alarm, I better go check the humidity. I never thought that it was high. It's always low, and I'm fine if it's low, but if it's high, then we have a problem. Denise Ali, yay, incubation time. There is a lot of eggs. It is. And I put that many because I know that a lot of the times we had to pull a lot of them out. And I said, well, let's put some extra ones, and hopefully we end up with 56 eggs, 56 good eggs or something, you know, whatever. But well, let's see how they do. At 8 o'clock at night, today at 8 o'clock, it completed the first day. We got like about 18 more days. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or the day after. Maybe every third day, I will check the eggs, see how they doing, so we can start removing some of those eggs. So today is Tuesday, Wednesday, probably Thursday. We Sayeri's over here sleeping. So probably Wednesday we check we candle the eggs to see how they doing. Well, I think those are all the comments. One thing I saw on the computer, there's a lot of comments that I haven't answered. I don't use the computer to answer the comments. I use my phone, but I was going through there and I see a lot of comments that don't have hearts. So it's not that I'm not trying to answer them. Maybe are some comments from old videos or something, and mostly I check the new videos, like the one before and the like two before the new one that I'm gonna upload. So I haven't gone all the way to the back to check if there's new comments or something like that. So if I haven't answered a video, comment, it's probably that's the reason. Well, friends, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time, Mr. Hatch out.